Good morning friends, welcome to HRPD channel. We can look. This is Helsinki Airport of Finland. This is enter gate. This is taxi stand. Also some people drop our relative. Outside temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. This is October temperature, always low here. When we come inside we can look. This is very beautiful view. We can take our flight ticket here and drop our luggage bag here. Here is self-checking and self-drop bag machine is available. This is self-checking machine. This is Lufthansa Airways counter. Here we can check our flight status and gate number. Now we are going downside. There are lot of restaurants. Espresso House is famous here for coffee. Here we take food and enjoy our lunch or dinner. This is Subway. This is Burger King. Burger is famous food here. Thanks for watching video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.